Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Design of column for 3-story building. Okay, actually this is a residential building I did for one of my clients. So according to the structure load, I did this design. So guys, you can see here, this is its column plan. You can see clearly. And the next one, guys, you can see these are the column C detail. If you see here, this is C1. So C1, you can see here, these all columns are C1. Okay, so for C1 detail I will guide you. First of all, guys, the column size is C1 size is 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches, guys. You can see here. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services. Okay, let's get started, guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel. If you are old on this channel, so you may like this video, because this is very interesting for you people to know about 3-story building. So you are not able to assume the size of column inside steel reinforcement, because all these things is depend on the bearing capacity of side, steel structure design, and also it's depend on the structure load of the building. So therefore, guys, if you need to go for 3-story, 4-story, even for doubly story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structural design to make it economical and strong. Okay, guys, you can see these are the columns. So here, guys, the spacing you can see clearly from this C1 to this C1 column, guys. You can see the spacing is 9 feet and 6 inches. On the other side, guys, you can see from this central line to this central line, this is 13 feet and 1.5 inches. The other one is 9 feet 6 inches. The other one is 6 feet 7.5 inches, and the last one is 13 feet and 1.5 inches. So as you can consider that the maximum span is here 13 feet 1.5 inches. So guys, here you can see so this column and this column, the spacing you can see, this is 8 feet 9 feet and 6 inches. Okay, so therefore you can consider anything here. And therefore, guys, you can see this is its section column detail. So this is a long section, and you can see this is top view. So here, guys, the size is for section A, where you can see this is the section A. This is the other plan for this section B. So let me guide you for section 1. So if you see, guys, here the size is 13.5 by 13.5 inches, and here, guys, you can see clearly we have 8 numbers of bars. The dia is 16 millimeter. It means 8 numbers. Okay, 8 numbers we used here. And the dia is 5 by 8. It means 5 sutar is the diameter of bars. Okay, look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers we have. On the other side, guys, you can see we have a 3 sutar diameter, or you can say normally 10 millimeter die of steel rod, especially for the lateral ties, with the spacing of, look at here, with the spacing of 3 inches. You can see clearly. Okay, here, guys, you can see this section, and if you come here, guys, you can see first of all we did the PCC with the ratio of 148. So 148 means this is a 7.5 M7.5 grade of concrete. Okay, on the other side, guys, you can see this is plinth beam, and the depth of plinth beam, etc. It can also consider on the structural design. I will also guide you for the plinth beam details. Guys, you can see the ground floor is starting from here, and this is its roof. So the height is 11 feet and 6 inches with the thickness of RCC slab. On the other side, guys, you can see this is section B, where the section B is already did for the splice or the lap splice. Look here, guys, you can see lap splice. So here, guys, you can see we have one steel rod, and you can see the other is already attached with this, so it can show you the lapping length. That's why, because here we don't have any lapping length. Look here, guys, you can see the details. Look here. Okay, this is specially for this one, for this. Now we are discussing this place. So look here, section B. So the section B is considered this one plan. So size is 13 by 13, 13.5 by 13.5 inches. 8 numbers of steel rods, and the diameter is 5 sutar or 16 millimeter. Same the lateral ties details in the spacing of or the lapping or the splice length place or after splice length, without splice length, you can see, guys. So these are the details, guys. You can see the other steel rods are connected with this, which can show you this is the lapping length. Remember, guys, the lapping should not be less than 60D. Okay, so or 50D you can also consider. So 60 multiply D, where die is, guys, here 16 millimeter. So you can consider 16 millimeter. You will get the value that is for laping. So this laping will be that length which you can get from this video, 60 by 16. Okay, 16 is the diameter of bar, therefore this is very simply okay. This is beam, so this is floor beam, that's why, because this is roof here. Next guys, you can see the concrete cover is here. We didn't discuss because for that we have the other page. So the concrete cover is here 40 millimeter, or you can say normally, which is equal 1.5 inches. Okay, so 1.5 inch at this side, 1.5 inch at this side. It means, so the standard size of the column is without concrete cover. This is guys, you can say normally 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches. So plus concrete cover, so it becomes 13.5 by 13.5 inches. So this is the size of column. You can see guys clearly. Next guys, if you see, these are hooks. So let me show you this. So guys, look here, the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches, and the hook's angle should be 135 degree. This is very important. Okay, so how 135 degree? Guys, you can see from here, look here, let me make it first here. Guys, you can see clearly. Let me make to guide you for this. So guys, look here, hooks are bent same like this. So let me show you, this is the dotted line. So when you take an angle, so this angle should be 135 degree. Don't provide on 90 degree. So this is not okay. This is not okay. It can be open closely because it cannot resist with earthquake, etc. So this is especially for seismic load, etc. Let me show you guys here in the beam. We already did, look here. So this is its section. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.